Jai Jai Ramakrishna Hari. As we have seen, Pune is all set for today's Wari. Right now, we are standing at Nivdung Vithoba Mandir. As you can see over here, the atmosphere tells a different story. As you can see, with the arrival of the Asadi War in just hours away, Pune has completely at the final preparation of the halt of the Sant Dhaneshwar Maharaj and also the main halt location at the Palki Vithoba Temple Mandir in Bhawanipet and Nivdunga Vithoba Vitthal Temple in Nanapet are fully equipped to welcome the thousands of Varkaris expected from across Maharashtra. The civic administration, temple authorities, and police have jointly made arrangements and the accommodation of food, drinking water, and healthcare, everything. As you can see, the atmosphere in the temple says a different vibe, as the tradition and the culture of Maharashtra's the most important day where we have seen it started. As we have seen, many people are coming over here. Both the temples have been decorated with colorful lighting, flowers, and special pandals for the arrival of the palki. Even we can see the temple staff are on the standby to assist the devotees throughout the halt. As we have seen, Sant Tukaram Maharaj, this is a ritual of 341 years. Like from every year, this is celebrated, and till now it is 341 years. And this is not just a culture; it is a ritual that is done over here. And we can over see. If you look around, you can see Varkaris wearing a white clothes and Gandhi caps. Many of them have walked for several days to reach Pune. Despite the rain, the faith and devotions remain strong. As you can see, the arrangements over there and the love of the people over here can be seen over here. Not only, even if we talk about the security arrangements, you can see the police personnel are on the duty to make sure that every person gets a proper direction to reach, and arrangements have been seen over here. You can see at the long stretch outside the temple, we can see the pandals that have been seen over here for the people and the Varkaris who gonna come over here. As we have seen, the Palki of Sant Tukaram Maharaj will be reaching Pune by 6 p.m. today. As we have seen, the entire atmosphere and especially the entire Nivdung Vithoba Mandir is completely decorated, and Pune is already set to be. As we have seen now, today, Sant Tukaram Maharaj Palki will be reaching over here at 6 p.m. We will bring you the updates from the ground as soon as the Palki reaches Pune. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.